Hi, I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru, here to teach you how to make my chicken penne pasta. Start with a raw chicken breast and then hit it with a little bit of olive oil. Now put this in the oven at 350 degrees and bake it until it's done. Then take it out, cool it, and cut it into cubes. Heat a skillet and give it a good dose of olive oil. Add some julienne onions and some quartered mushrooms. Now we're going to add the cubed chicken. We're going to add a little bit of chopped garlic and some chicken broth. We're going to add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. It's going to come to a boil, and then the cream is going to start to reduce. We're going to add some pre-cooked penne pasta to the sauce as it's boiling. We're going to add a little pesto to the sauce. Now we're cooking. Sauce is looking good. And now for the fun part. Grab a big handful of spinach. Put it on top. A little bit of fresh shaved basil. And give it a spin. We're going to add Parmesan cheese on top. Fresh chopped parsley. This is chicken penne pasta. For this recipe, just visit the website. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru.